Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be going over the new ZXI line from DS18. But first, alright guys, we're going to do a brief overview of this subwoofer lineup. We just got these in probably about a week ago. I got them unboxed. I was going to do an unboxing of all of them, but I'm like, who would want to wait like 20 minutes for me to unbox all these stuff? So anyway, we went ahead and popped them out. We're going to do a brief overview of each one so you can get a little taste of them. But anyway, ranging from I believe like 80 bucks up to $299 for the 15-inch version. So let's get into this, and we'll start off with the little baby down here, little 6.5-inch sub with a quad stack magnet. I like the style of basket they have here and the coating on the basket. Nice push terminals. We got some cooling out the back and a couple of specs on the 6.5. We have so it's going to come in dual 2s or dual 4s. The RMS power is going to be 300 watts, and voice coil is 1.5 inches. So again, I believe this is $99. I wrote it on the box. 99 bucks for the 6.5. Moving up to the big brother to the 6.5 is going to be the 8-inch subwoofer. So nice mid-roll surround, stitched to the cone. Same treatment on all these subwoofers that I'm seeing. You got a nice embossed mounting gasket right here. Same treatment on the basket. Nice push terminals, plenty good enough for the power rating on these subwoofers. I like the cooling on the basket as well. Quad stack magnet. You got the cooling out the back too. So on the 8-inch, they have it rated at, this is also comes in dual 2s, dual 4s, 600 watts RMS. Frequency response 25 hertz to, it says 880. I wonder if that's supposed to be 88. We could play it on that high, I guess. And the voice coil is 2 inches. The price, I didn't do the price on all of them, so it's going to be somewhere in between $99 and $299. I would guess like mid 150s. This is just totally a guess. Big brother to the 8-inch, we have the 10-inch ZXI 10. So again, same treatment throughout, just getting bigger and better. Got the nice cooling on the basket, and let's see, I can't put my fingers in there. I was trying to see if there's, yeah, there's 2 spider stacks in there, and you got their spider hold down ring as well. Quad stack magnet. We got the cooling everywhere. And the power rating, I mean, you're going to have dual 2s and dual 4s on this as well. Power rating on this one, 800 watts, so we're bumping up. And we also have a 2.5-inch voice coil, like this around here. Alright, moving up to the 12-inch. We have the 12 in front of us right here. Again, same treatment, medium roll surround, stitched surround to the cone. And then basket style, we got the spider hold down ring. Double stack spiders that I could see, and let's see what the voice coil again is. And then we have the quad stack magnet, same treatment throughout, like I said. So let's see what the specs are on this. This is a dual 2, but it comes in dual 2s, dual 4s. We have 1,000 watts RMS, so I moved up to 1,000 watts RMS rating and a 3-inch voice coil, and that's why you're going to be able to get that. Last but not least, we have the 15. Right here. Again, this one's 299 bucks, and nice. This is almost like a mega roll surround, fat surround, so it's going to play lows nice. We got the stitched surround to the cone, DS18 on the cone there, coming around the side. Nice basket, DS18 in here, and we have the spider hold down ring. Push terminals, nothing crazy, but again, you're trying to hit a certain price point. You don't want to make it get super expensive. Plenty good enough for what you're looking to do. I also like on these subwoofers, I almost forgot to mention it, this is all embossed back here, so it's raised up off of the back plate. So DS18, 2000 watts max, like dual 4 ohm. Anyway, it's a nice little touch there if you're going to be inverting the subs. You'll be able to see that. So going over the specs. For the 15, it's 1,000 watts RMS, it's just like the 12. Comes in dual 2s or dual 4s. Frequency response is 15 hertz up to 900. 15 hertz, man, that's going to get low. 3-inch voice coil. Alright, so that's going to conclude this little tour of the DS18 ZXI line of subwoofers we just got in. Nice budget-friendly option, but great quality here for the price point for sure. We have a ton of different DS18 products on the website, so be sure to check out all the other ones that we have on the website, and we have a ton of them in stock. I know I haven't told a lot of people that we've carried DS18 a lot, or I haven't said that a lot, but when I'm trying to juggle a bunch of different brands and trying to show love to all of them, it can become difficult at times. So to make sure I'm getting all of them. But anyway, we wanted to show DS18 some love. They're doing a great job over there. If you need anything, hit us up. You can see this particular line in the description below if you want to click on it. Check out the pricing, specs, more details on them. It'll be right there for you. If we can do anything for you, hit us up 702-701-9800. Again, that's 702-701-9800. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.